This is a quick demonstration of installing MP3, my MP3 audio recorder so you can record audio comments using eMarking Assistant. We'll install the software from download.com. If we do a search for MP3 recorder, and you'll see here's the application I was talking about. Click on that. It's worthwhile looking at the description of the item, because often it'll say things like during the installation my MP3 tries to install different software. We don't want that to happen, so we must make sure that we opt out of those things if you don't want that to happen. So we'll click on download. Keep this. Okay, the download is finished. We'll look at it in the folder, and here we have it. Double click on the installer file, and here we've got the installer. As I've mentioned, we need to be careful as we go through this to make sure that we opt out of all other pieces of software. Next. Do we want to install this PC Utilities Pro? No, I don't. Thank you for asking. Do I want to install free TV to my desktop? No, thank you. And now I can do the installation. You still need to remember that even during the installation process, you need to be careful not to install other pieces of software. Here's the installer. Click to continue. Accept the conditions, and that location is fine. Next. Next. Here's another one. Install GSN Games. Do I want to install that? No, I do not accept. Next. Another one. Get your PC running at peak performance. No, I don't accept that. And install. And now we're going to launch the application. Once we've installed the application, we can do a couple of things to set it up so it makes it as easy as possible for me to record things. I'm going to, first you can see that it's picking up my audio. You can see the audio ladder on the left, on the right, going up and down. That's good. We'll go to the Options tab, where we'll find a place to put my audio comments. I'm going to put them in my Documents folder, and in a new folder in that called Audio Comments. That will just make it MP3. That will just make it very easy for me to find them. I will save them as an MP3 file, and I'll set the quality down to 64, which is more than adequate for spoken audio comments. What else do I need to do? Allow a custom name. That's all okay. Now I'll go back to the Record tab, and I will turn on silence detection. So if during when I'm making comments, I can just stop speaking, and after 2 seconds the recorder will stop. So that is all there is to it. I might just check it once to see that everything is working okay. I'll turn on record. Hello, is this now recording? I hope it is. Yeah, I can see the button is working, and then I will stop it. And here's my recording. And I will now just play that. Hello, is this now recording? I hope it is. Yeah, I can see the button is working, and then I will stop it. Hello, is this now recording? Okay, so we've now set up MP3 My MP3, and now we can go into eMarking Assistant and use it to record comments.